Hi, welcome. I'm Melissa with Handmade by Melissa Rhodes. Today we are going back to the basics. This is the first video of crochet basics series that I'm doing. Today we're going to be going over the slip knot, chain, single crochet, double crochet, and triple or treble crochet. First we will start with the slip knot. So you want to take your yarn and hold it with your right hand, wrap around your finger like this, and then you're going to hold it with your middle finger here and your thumb. So you grab the back yarn piece and flip it over and just kind of hold it here at the tip of your finger, and then you grab the other piece of yarn here and move it over your finger. And then you can just slip the needle in through there and pull it tight, and that is your slip knot. And I will show you that one more time. You can just pull this apart, wrap it around your finger twice, hold it there, pull the back over the front, and then pull the back over that one, and you just stick your needle through and pull it tight, and that is your slip knot. So this is going to be the base of our chain that I'm going to show you. We are doing chaining 10. So you just put your yarn over your needle and pull it through, and that is one chain. Yarn over, pull through, 2 chains. Yarn over, pull through, and so on. And we will go down to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is your chain base for your next step that you'll build onto. We're going to go back the other way with a single crochet. Most of the time you skip the first knot here, but we're just going to go right into this next open. So you just take your needle and go right through that open chain, grab the yarn and pull it through, and then you're going to yarn over and pull that through. That is one single crochet. And then in the next chain space, we're going to put our needle through, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull that through, next single crochet. We're going to work our way down the row here. Insert the needle, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through. Insert the needle, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And we're at the end here. Sometimes I will go into the knot just to make it smoother, but we'll skip that today depending on what I'm making. So for going back over, we're going to do double crochet, and with double crochet you're going to chain 3. And before you insert your yarn this time, or your needle, you're going to yarn over. So you yarn over first, insert into the next single crochet, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over again, pull through. And that is our first double crochet. However, the chain 3 usually counts as 1 stitch, 1 double crochet. So we'll move on into the next one. You yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So there's 3 yarn overs. Yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through for the first stitch, yarn over, pull through for the next stitch on top of that one, double crochet, yarn over, insert to the next single crochet, yarn over, yarn over, and we will continue here. And last one here, yarn over. Sometimes the ends can be a pain. Yarn over, yarn over. And that is our double crochet line. And we're going to go back triple crochet now, the other side. So we're going to, or treble crochet. There's 2 ways you can call it, triple or treble. The abbreviation is TR. So you're going to chain 4 to begin. 3, 4. We turn around. Now we're going back this other direction. You want to yarn over twice. So you just kind of wrap it around. There's going to be 3 loops, 3 lines here on your hook. And then you're going to insert the next available space, next stitch space. So this first one, you pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So that is treble crochet. You just yarn over twice to begin, and then insert into the next hook or the next stitch, pull through, yarn over again through the first 2, yarn over again through the next 2, and then that creates the last 2, yarn over, pull through, yarn over the first 2, yarn over the next 2, yarn over the last 2. Pull through, yarn over the first 2, yarn over the next 2, and the last 2. Wrap twice. Insert into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, yarn over, and the last 2. And usually I go into the second stitch in the last row there. Alright, that concludes our chain single crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet, or treble crochet, however you prefer. So when you see these in patterns, chain is abbreviated CH, single crochet is SC, double crochet is DC, and treble crochet is TR. Thank you for watching.